Hi, Barry from OPTEX here. We're going to take a look at some of the capabilities of our REDSCAN LiDAR solutions. Today we will take a look at tracking, zoning and bringing in into an alarm application. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Here we have an area where we're protecting approximately 70 meters in length, and what we've done here is we've allocated some areas. In this case it's 5 areas, and to those 5 areas we've actually allocated relays to tie up with the specific areas. As the intruder walks from left to right, you can see him brake in the particular areas, as well as the corresponding relay activating. This is wired back to an alarm system, and this can give us a confirmation alarm to say not only has it activated in this zone, but which direction the intruder has traveled. You'll also notice on the bottom right hand side there where it says event code status, and you can see all those numbers coming up there. RLS 127, which means it's the last IP address of that particular unit. MO, which means master alarm, and then the particular zone, A11. This is transmitted back to the NVR or PTZ, and what we can do simultaneously to this is get the PTZ to auto track to those areas so we can get a nice clear identification of the intruder walking and following in that particular area. In my next example, what I've done here is I've programmed the unit and told it to ignore large target size. In this example, a car. As you can see, the car driving from left to right has been detected but is not meeting the alarm criteria.
Thanks for watching, and that's OPTEX Sensing Innovation.